This is a short tutorial on how to sign up for the MASH's October 21st Parent-Teacher Conferences. So once again, the conferences will be held on October 21st from 1 to 8. There will be the option to either attend virtually by Zoom or by phone. There will no longer be a face-to-face option because of the coronavirus. So to help you figure out how to sign up, the first thing you'll do is to open up your email from the school, and you'll see on number 1, you're going to click on the Sign Up Genius link. This will take you to the Sign Up Genius page. There is no need to log in. You'll see on the left-hand side that these are all of the teachers' names at the high school. They're alphabetical. And then you'll see the time slots that they're available. And then where you are going to sign up are the red boxes. So I'm going to sign up for Mr. Borkart first, and I'm going to sign up at 3 o'clock. You'll notice that at 1:30, he already has his slot filled. Then I'm going to go down and I want to also see Mrs. Badimula. So I'm going to go to 3:15 for her. And I want to also see Mr. Dallas. And so I'm going to do 3:30. When I've signed up all the teachers that I want to see, I'm going to go to the bottom of the page and there's a submit and sign up button. Click on that. It will take you to your choices. It does not have the teachers' names right now, but it will when it sends you the email. So at 3 o'clock, 3:15, and 3:30 are the times that I signed up. If you remember what the teachers were, you can also then send them a comment. You're going to put your name in, your email. This is where the confirmation email will go to. And then you're going to put your phone number. Make sure that you put the correct phone number in, because this, if you do choose to do by phone, this is the phone number that the teacher will use to call you. So you put your phone number in, the name of your child, and then you're going to select, do I want to do virtual or do I want to do phone call? So I'm going to do virtual. And then I'm going to click on sign up now. Now you're going to see this is what you signed up for. So I'm going to see at 3 o'clock, Mr. Borkart, 3:15, Mrs. Badimula, and at 3:30, Mr. Dallas. If these are wrong, I can go back to sign up and change them. I can also add these to my calendar. So if you have a Google Calendar or a Yahoo Calendar, it will allow you to add those to your calendar and it'll pop right up when your scheduled conference is ready. So I am going to then also see that it sent me a confirmation email. Go back to my email. Here it is. And again, it will allow you to add it to your calendar. And it will give you all of the teachers that you signed up for. So on the day of the conference, you can go back to this confirmation email and you will see at 3 o'clock, you want to click on Brad Borkart. So if you're going to be doing virtual or Zoom, this is where you would go.
I want to open Zoom meetings. I want to join a meeting, and because I'm already in a meeting, it won't let me, but a passcode will come up. It will ask for a passcode, and the passcode for every single one is MASH 2020. So it's capital MASH 2020. You'll put that in and the Zoom should pop up. There is a waiting room. You're going to be waiting for the teacher to let you in. And we do that so that if the conference is already going on, you don't jump into that conference. So the teacher will let you in at that time and then you can have the conference. When you are done, you will close out that Zoom conference and you will go back and you'll click on to the next person.
So my next conference is at 3:15 with Wendy Badimula. So I'd click on her link and it would take her to her Zoom meeting. So that is it for signing up and how you get there. So if you were going to do a phone call, then instead of you clicking on the Zoom link, the teacher will use that phone number again that you put into the Sign Up Genius, and they will call you at your designated time. If you have any questions, you can give Jill Liebert a call at the high school, or you can click on this little email and email me and I will email you back. Thank you so much.